Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another new video. Today I am going to show you another Bitcoin graph and chart and describe everything about Bitcoin chart, where the market going and what I think. So let's start. First of all, I am on the one day chart. In one day chart you can see this graph is going to up, and if I go to the 1 hour chart you can see that this graph also going to up. If I go to the 2 hour chart you can see this graph also going to up, and if I go to the 3 hour chart you can see this graph also going to up. And now I go to the 4 hour chart, you can see this graph also going to up. Now I go to the 1 minute chart, you can see this graph also going to up. If I go to the 5 minute chart you can see this graph also going to up. If I go to the 30-minute chart you can see this graph also going to up. If I go to the 45-minute chart this graph also going to up. So it's clear, this market going to up. So now I go to the 1 day chart and make a graph, then you can clearly understand how the market going on. So I take a scale, my graph is complete. So I think in this position this market going to that position. You can see the previous scale. In the previous scale this graph was that position, and after that this graph going to this position, and then this graph go to this down position, and after that I think market is going to up. So I think this graph is going to this position, I think so, and my prediction is about this. So I obviously think this graph is going to up and go to this position. It's going to 40 May or 6 May. So my prediction is this. If you know the good prediction or good decision, please comment below and share your idea. I think everybody understand what I describe and what I mean. Now I describe about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 39,426.40 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 39,426.40 USD. I think everybody liked the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.